Mureri wa Kikuyu Vibes gaiko nyitogeni na muthenya umuthi twi county ya Nyandarua otoro akiona thutha wakwa ni tukire nigetha tukorwo tukiambiriria gukorwo tugiaka mucii wa producer Kev na ni thutha wa mukoyo witu mwagitika na haha ri twina producer Kev akorwo agitwaririe tutanambiriria maundu mara tukorwo tugika muthenya umuthi agucokerie ngatho na atwire what do we expect right Jaba.
Ndikuga gutie na uru tomenyerire kuhenania no sawa but all is well.
Yes. Muthenya umuthi ni tukire gukorwo tugika kindu gitagwo ground breaking na nitwakiona kinya andu arata family othe muguko nigetha makoma maikunyitira no tundu gukorwo witu atiri kinyania hau ri tukinyetie maundu
kinyania hau tukinyete wa mbere ni gucokeria Ngai ngatho muno tondu andu manakaya na managa kuiguo.
Yes.
But for me ni no njokeirie Ngai ngatho na hena undu urabundithirie ati andu nio indo. And always be good to people. No rimwe mundu esawa ne kinya handu akona ta ehotire but it can happen overnight na ukorwo gikaira andu. But for me ni hakwa ni gucokeria Ngai ngatho. My friends, my relatives and more so my clients hena andu aingi muno ndari hurire projects but they have holded them. Andu ugakora mundu arakwira ihi ona ni agutumira mbia akwira mbia icio ikara nacio ndamenya tha ici nduri sawa kiongo giaku gitire sawa but eventually nitugucoka tugicokereria. I think this is what was holding me much tondariga gogwanjia ku but through arata mutino wa mwaki ni ugwati. Yeah.
Na ndio ko gicokerero the whole kiuga kia mwisho kuri andu aria ndi kuragoti utari kirathimo no marathimithie
ni in fact ni jikara gogo rimwe ngaita maithori. In fact nikikumbuka venye watu wamenishikilia I and my family, nikikumbuka how people came through onakorwo tia hotire gukorwo tukihit budget but that is a sign that ona ungihota gukaira andu no mari kuigwa ringi as long as you are transparent. Na nikionire ndigedire guka guko denyiki I had to call some friends at least undu uyu mwanjiriirie na andu so let the people also know mukinyetie ha niki mureka what next ni ciaiganire tweke atia you make the people feel part of the project. Tondu kone bia ndari nacio ri no korwo ndingiokire kwira andu maybe mandeithie but because of the willingness of the people ndu wa gukorwo ati o mundu ni arenda kuigua na some attachment with his or her producer or his or her friend kana regi his or her relative nikio andu mokaga and so I'm so humbled na Ngai amurathime muno ni hakwa ni no ndigori ngimera but wabarikiwe sana.